Ever found yourself staring at a new card, wondering, okay, cool, but what do I actually do with this thing? Especially when it's something like an Airwallex card, which feels a bit different from your everyday debit or credit card. If you're scratching your head, trying to figure out how to maximize its potential, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty and unlock the power of your Airwallex card. Now, Airwallex isn't just another financial platform. It's built for businesses and individuals who operate in the global economy. Think freelancers, e-commerce sellers, remote workers, and anyone dealing with international transactions. That's where the Airwallex card shines. It's designed to streamline your spending and payments, especially when dealing with multiple currencies. First and foremost, let's talk about online purchases. If you're buying goods or services from overseas suppliers, subscribing to international software, or running digital ads on global platforms, your Airwallex card is your best friend. It allows you to pay in multiple currencies without those hefty international transaction fees that traditional banks often slap you with. This means you can save a significant amount of money, especially if you're making frequent purchases. Imagine you're an e-commerce seller sourcing products from China. Instead of dealing with fluctuating exchange rates and expensive conversion fees, you can load your Airwallex card with Chinese yuan and pay directly. This not only simplifies your transactions, but also gives you greater control over your spending. But it's not just about online shopping. You can also use your Airwallex card for everyday business expenses. Think about those client dinners, travel expenses, or even just grabbing coffee for a meeting. Because Airwallex often offers competitive exchange rates, you're getting more bang for your buck, even when you're traveling internationally. Freelancers and remote workers, listen up. If you're receiving payments from clients around the world, your Airwallex card makes accessing those funds incredibly easy. You can transfer your earnings from your Airwallex global accounts to your card and spend them anywhere MasterCard is accepted. This means instant access to your money, without waiting for lengthy bank transfers. Let's also consider team expenses. If you're managing a team spread across different countries, Airwallex cards can be issued to your employees. This gives you greater visibility and control over your company's spending, while also simplifying expense management. You can set spending limits, track transactions in real time, and streamline your accounting processes. Another significant advantage is the ability to withdraw cash from ATMs worldwide. When you're traveling or need access to local currency, your Airwallex card comes in handy. Just remember to check the applicable fees, as they can vary depending on the ATM and the currency you're withdrawing. Beyond just spending, the Airwallex card integrates seamlessly with the Airwallex platform, allowing you to manage your finances in one place. You can view your transaction history, track your spending, and manage your currency balances all from your Airwallex account. This provides a holistic view of your financial activities, making it easier to stay on top of your finances. In essence, your Airwallex card is a powerful tool for anyone operating in the global marketplace. Whether you're making online purchases, managing team expenses, or simply need access to your funds while traveling, it offers a convenient and cost-effective solution. It's about more than just a piece of plastic. It's about unlocking financial flexibility and efficiency in an increasingly interconnected world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.